Today is a very special day. It is the day we celebrate the birth of Peach Betty. Peach just happens to love coconut cake, so Sullivan and I have set out to make her day really special. Let's start by taking an inventory. First we have a yellow box cake mix, Jello instant pudding,
Jello,
sweetened coconut, and 3 eggs. Carefully cut open the cake mix and pour it into a mixing bowl.
pudding.
Next, add the pudding mix.
Wow, it's snowing. Whoa, snowing. It's
Yes, sometimes it does snow in June, Sullivan. Stir evenly to distribute the pudding.
butter.
Add 1 stick of melted butter.
He poured us in the butter. Stir.
Okay.
Egg.
And then the 3 eggs.
Cracking the egg.
Ready?
You did it, Grandma.
I'm so happy that he's proud of me.
I can do another one. I did it.
Oh!
Oh, I still have egg.
Okay, one more. Good job. All right, ready?
Because 1, 2, 3. We have to get egg.
Good job.
Next, add the water
Water.
and mix with the mixer until it's smooth. Pour into 2 buttered and floured 9-inch pans.
Ooh.
Be sure to test taste for approval.
Try some for me.
What do you think?
Good.
Spread evenly in the pan, and singing is a must.
Spread, spread, spread the cake all over the pan.
Spread it in, then I can.
More tasting is always necessary before baking. Time to put them into the oven. Bake at 350 degrees for about 25
Look
minutes.
on the oven.
Here goes the second one.
Now I have to wait.
Now we wait. You must clean the spatula before you wash it. After about 25 minutes, put your glasses on so you can see if it is done. A spongy middle means it's good to go. Cool for about 5 minutes in the pan and then flip them out to finish cooling on a cooling rack. While waiting, heat up 1 cup of milk and add about 3/4 cups of coconut. Bring it to a boil and then set it aside to cool. Place your cool cake top side down on your cake stand. Use a straw to poke holes all over it. Spoon some of the milk and coconut mixture into the holes. Add some of the coconut and then top with Kool Whip. Place the second cake on top with the top side up. Poke lots more holes and finish filling those with the extra milk and coconut mixture. Frost with generous amounts of Kool Whip, filling in all of the gaps. Drop coconut on top and press it gently into the sides. A plate underneath will help catch all the extra coconut. And there you have it. Cool and refreshing bite of summer, fit for a peach. Add some candles and sing for the birthday girl.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Morgan. Happy birthday to you. Wait, I don't have it.
Are you ready for the candles?
I'm almost ready.
Hey!
Candles!
Good job. Yay! Peace and love.
Peace and love!
Happy birthday to you, Peach. And always remember to spread peace and love.